आई एम इन जागृति यात्रा एंड यहाँ पे मुझे एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग पर्सन है जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं दुनिया के लिए, वो मिले हैं. हिज नेम इज चेतन एंड ही हैज जस्ट फॉर्म इनटू प्राणिक हीलिंग. ही डज हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस. आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा होगा एंड मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे किसी को बुला के कि कैसे हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस होती है. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. कैसे कर लेते हो एंड आप कितने साल से कर रहे हो एंड आप क्यों कर रहे हो? Why this?
So I started my spiritual journey with pranic healing, and I was motivated by my mom, okay, because उन्होंने मुझसे पहले सीखा था. और उसके बाद जब spirituality में open किया, it was like a bridge. So I crossed, I learned lot of other things, and handwriting is one I like most. क्योंकि इससे आप किसी से भी बहुत easily connect हो जाते हो. आप किसी को नहीं जानते हो, लेकिन आप उसके बहुत कुछ touch कर जाते हो soul को एक तरीके से. And with this, I think I have done more than 2,500 analysis in last 4 years.
Wow. 2,500.
Wow. Done that.
2,500 लोगों से वो मिले हैं, उनके बारे में बताया.
This is 2501 might be, okay, as per the records to me. So this is how it does, and what we do in handwriting analysis, the science is graphology. So we read the graphs of the handwriting and we help it.
And also I wanted to tell you about pranic healing. जिनको नहीं पता है about pranic healing, what is exactly?
So pranic healing is a alternative medical therapy. Okay, so the chakra science behind it is, or it is a combination of both science and art, because we work on scientific grounds, and it is the art when you heal people of different cases. तो इसमें हम सर से लेके कैंसर, like physical, psychological, emotional, financial, spiritual, anything you name it, and we are there to help you. Whether it is phobias, depressions, anxieties, fear, anything it is. So आप 3-4 लाइन कुछ भी लिखो, anything, and then just give your signature here 3 times. Your official signature 3 times here.
My official signature 3 times below and some lines
Something.
here.
कि मैं पहली बार हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस होते हुए देख रही हूँ, सुना बहुत था. आप कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपने देखा है कभी ऐसा कुछ?
So see what handwriting does, basically I'll explain you. Handwriting is the imprint of your brain.
Correct.
Okay. So whatever you write does not matter to us.
Correct.
What matter to us is the graphs,
Correct.
the curves, and the
Sure.
stress points.
Sure.
So we work on that. Okay. So the way right now you have written, it basically come up that you keep wasting a lot of times, and you know this, that currently I should be doing something else. और वो सोच में ज़्यादा टाइम निकल जाता है.
Yeah,
execution बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाता.
Maybe.
Right. Certain you try to avoid family gatherings and social gatherings too. Where you want to take part much?
Social.
Not the family gatherings, right?
Yeah, of course.
In any grey area when you were in the teenage, like between 13 to 19?
Yeah. There been an area which, it been. Now it's all sort, but yes, surely there been.
Between the age of 13 to 19, right?
Yes.
Specific what age?
14, 15.
You want to do certain philanthropy activities for society, but with the material help.
Surely I want to do only that.
You have brother and sister, siblings?
Yeah, I have some.
And they're dominating, the bigger ones?
No, I'm the elder one, and they are.
Then you are dominating?
Yeah, might be, but.
So basically your handwriting shows if you have siblings or they are younger, bigger, or you are the elder one, the nature is very dominating.
I've been dominating, but I consider now I'm not.
You feel now, but it's about how they feel.
My presence might be dominating to everybody. That's not my problem, but I'm not happy.
So it has been dominating.
It has been
It's
dominating for a long while. Yeah.
Long while, right?
Yeah.
So your handwriting show it is still in your aura.
Good.
You have self-doubts
Not anymore.
and indiscipline in life.
I enjoy that.
Yeah, it's not about you enjoy. It has.
Indiscipline. I mean, I seek that. Like I'm okay. Kind of. Yeah.
But you know that.
Yeah, I know that.
But it's there.
Yeah, it's there.
You love to be a point of attraction in the crowd. It's like
I
you put
become
on-
naturally.
Yeah, so you love to do that, and you put your points very strong forward if you have
Yeah.
certain opinions and
Yes.
submission.
Yes.
You are not someone who will seek behind and wait for your turn.
Yeah. Because I'm once I'm clear and convinced, I can convince the world.
Yes, that's a very positive point.
Yeah.
What next comes? Comparing to mother and father, you are more close to.
Mother for sure, but I think now at a stage that I'm not leaning on anybody. Like,
It's not about leaning. It's
but
you
yeah.
look forward that if I need a help in crisis, the first number I'm going to call is my mom, right?
as in, I look forward to help.
Not help.
As in, you're asking
Anything.
comparing the parents, like both
Comparing
parents, mother.
You're attached to like mother, right?
Mother, sure.
You have regular flashbacks in morning or night.
Not anymore.
You had, but long time.
Long time. Not anymore.
Okay. You can have.
तो आपने देखा वर्षा का हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस किया था चेतन ने. अभी वर्षा से पूछते हैं कि उसको कितना करेक्ट है.
Yeah. So I would just say, Chetan, कैसे कर लेते हो आप? So yes, I believe almost 70 to 80% whatever he identified were very correct. Yes, there were things शायद कभी-कभी हम भी वो सही से नहीं दिखा पाते, रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाते हैं, तो that I couldn't agree with, but majority I was really amazed to see that he was actually identifying them very correctly. So awesome. I don't know how you're doing it, but you're doing awesome.
में इतना सब बताया उन्होंने. एंड ऑल्सो वर्षा को वो काफी एक्यूरेट लगा. एंड अगर किसी को कांटेक्ट करना हो आपसे, व्हाट इज योर वेबसाइट?
So we currently have no website, but we are working through Facebook or Instagram. You can connect me. In Instagram, we have a channel in the name of Chetan.mystic, or you can follow us on Spiritual Genie. Also, that's my firm name. So we help through spirituality. That is where the Spiritual Genie. The genie who will solve your problem with spiritual tips.
If you want a genie in your life, कॉल करिए एंड फेसबुक पे कनेक्ट करिए.
We have our office in Kolkata, and I facilitate pranic healing. I teach pranic healing all over India. So I'm a pan-India trainer.
And you do it online as well?
We do online as well, but the workshops are more physical.
Okay.
There is a practical workshop, and the services we provide that's to global.
Okay, and what's the page? Is the same page
And
for
the same
both?
page for everything.
Okay. So I'll add the page in the description. आप इनसे connect कर सकते हैं. So I will keep sharing such stories with you and stay tuned guys. I hope आपने ये वाला episode बहुत enjoy किया होगा and कुछ तो नया सीखा होगा. So see you guys. Bye bye.